Dibuho or Kurit, a testament to time, passion, and the city we love. This exhibit is a celebration of art that transcends age. It showcases a decade's worth of drawings by our very own senior or going to be senior artists, urban sketchers, demonstrating that the creative spirit only deepens with time. These artists with seasoned hands and eyes that have witnessed the passage of time offer us a unique perspective on Baguio City. Through their art, we see familiar streetscapes imbued with memory, the bustling heart of the city captured with a knowing glance, and the serene beauty of nature rendered with a lifetime of appreciation. Isang dekadang mga dibuho, Kurit, is a testament to their enduring passion, a love letter to the city they call home, and an inspiration to us all to embrace creativity at every stage of life. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa Baguio Center Mall to open the exhibit of our 4 senior artists. Yay! Give us a hand naman sa dumago. Maraming salamat. Umpisahan natin po ngayong hapon ang ating programa. Alright, so we hope that we are going to be wala tayong music. Magandang mga hapon din sa ating lahat sa init ng pagbati mula sa Baguio Center Mall. Para ako member welcome sa ating guests na nandito. We see young faces. Thank you for coming. And we have, of course, Sir Arnold there taking the video vlogger natin. And of course, we say hello and thank you sa ating mga 4 artists who made this happen. Si Sir Santiago Tarato, Sir Arnold Ramos, Sir Noli Bocalero, and si Sir Edward Santiago. Of course, we have here with us, which we will be later introducing our mall manager. And my friend also, Ms. Pam, who is with me since noon pa. Ms. Pam, hello. Alright, so a round of applause again to this amazing people. Ako po si Marita Machoke. I will be your second host for the afternoon. And thank you for the invitation. To officially begin our program, let's find peace and guidance through prayer. We invite Mr. Edson Santiago to lead us.
This is the day that the Lord has made, and God gave us the opportunity of life because God He's really blessed right now. So ito, magpay tayo sulit. Ang Diyos ang kapangyarihan sa lahat sa pangalan ng Jesus. Salamat sa isang napagandang araw, oportunidad sa aming buhay, at Panginoon sa mga senior citizen, mga artists ko, mga kasama dito sa aming komunidad ng Baguio City, dito sa aming tahanan namin yung sa mga bigay ng oportunidad para kayo Panginoon ay magkaroon ng pagpapahal sa iyo sa pagpapagin ng aming mga kailangan sa pangalan ng Jesus. Wash your favor, your blessing word, maging magiging po ang programa nito, Diyos, at hayaan mo, samahan mo kami, magiging pinagpapala sa buhay ng bawat isa, magiging ang aming buhay ng pinagpapala. Sa pangalan ng Jesus, sa aming dalangin. Amen. Amen. Thank you po.
Thank you, Pastor. Siya po ang ating representative ng visual arts sa CBCC. And ngayon naman, we would like to ask, of course, someone who will give us the opening or welcome remarks sa ating exhibit for this afternoon. Siya po ay isang masuki na supporter in the arts, especially and also to the other advocacies in Baguio City. We will welcome Sir Johan to please give your message to the artists. Thank you.
Bagong malam kayo kayo amin. We're delighted to have you all here at the Baguio Center Hall activity area. Ket naik kan kedua gundaway nga mangin ulo di tayo nga ganaet sandikatan di buho by the Baguio Elderly Artists Council. Before I proceed, let us acknowledge the members of the Baguio Elderly Artists Council, Sir Santiago Tagapong, Sir Arnold Ramos, Sir Edson Santiago, Sir Jose Guerrero is not with us at the moment, I think, no? And Sir Noli Doctor. All of whom work with our marketing manager, si Ms. Pam Carino Bologa, to have this exhibit here at the Baguio Center Mall. Let's give them a round of applause for their efforts. We have faith in our senior citizens. That is why Baguio Center Mall supports this endeavor. We hope that through this exhibit, our youth will see that senior citizens who in their youth contributed to the development of their families, their communities, their city, and their country continue to do so. Senior citizens provide invaluable talent and skill that comes with years of dedication, continuing to play a vital role in our society and in the development of the following generations. It is our hope that through your engagement in this art form, more and more the youth will be interested and encouraged to learn it, maybe even from you. Honestly, I had to look up the word dibuho from Google, and then I had to ask Sir Santiago and Ma'am Pam for it. It's only that I learned it means hand sketch or pagguhit kamay. As someone, even with the aid of a ruler, at times cannot draw a straight line. I truly admire and am fascinated by people who can sketch. People who can transform an ordinary piece of paper into something extraordinary. Sa totoo lang po, excited po ako maging senior citizen. 3 years ago, kung lalaanin ko ng Panginoon, I can then legally and proudly claim to be a member of the First Class Citizens Club. As that day draws near, often an old African proverb comes to mind that speaks of community effort, shared undertaking, and collective responsibility. Perhaps you too have heard of it. It takes a village to raise a child. Although your efforts here may not be credited as a senior citizen activity or youth development headliner in this Sunday's newspaper, we, however, hope that your work here will be an introduction into the art form for some of our youth. One extraordinary generation, through example, continues to nurture and mold the next extraordinary generation. Paraphrasing President Reagan's speech on the contribution, a portion of a phrase in his speech on the contribution of senior citizens in our society. Our senior citizens are an underground spring that steadily, though silently, continues to make the ground greener. Thank you and congratulations.
Maraming salamat, sir. And now, nakaka-inspire yun. See, even senior citizens talagang nabibigyan ng opportunities kasi because we give high regard to them all. Pero may dalawa pa dito na talagang hindi senior citizen. Sir Edson, hindi pa naman. At this point, may I ask the artist to come and sit here in front because I would like to interview you. Interview kayo. Isa-isang question para naman so we will get to know each of you. Okay? So, lipat na dito. Uunahin natin, dyan, kahit doon. Kahit dyan na. Okay. Ano ba ang pwede dito? Unahin natin yung nag-umpisa ng exhibit na to, yung idea na to. Kay Sir Santiago Tagapong, who is 61 years old. He's a retired siya for some time, pero napunta na siya sa arts and very passionate in helping out the plight of the senior artists. Sir, ito ang tanong ko po sa inyo. What advice, parang ano to, no? What advice po would you give to the aspiring artists who are here, especially those who are just starting out? What advice po ang pwede niyong ibigay sa kanila?
I think there's something to do with motivation. Yun. Ang mindset natin as an artist, everyone is an artist sa kanilang walk of life. But as we go along with the people, we meet different kind of view na pwede nating i-adapt. So, sketching or any kind of artwork is a part of your life na gusto nyo ipagpatuloy. So, you have to sustain. Kasi, for us, I was also motivated dahil nga sa mga nakikita ko. So, andun yung mindset na una kasi yung appreciation na ni nagmayat ay inaramit na. If he can, I can do also. Kasi there's the transformation on how we continue to sustain yung yung Quran kasi, ibig sabihin yun, sketching yun. Quran. That is a mother tongue from the mountain province. So, along the way back 2020, when I passed to Sunshine Art, andun yung art jamming na sponsored by the UP. And doon ako. I joined them until such time na namomotivate ako na makigrupo sa isang group of artists at yan. Ayun. Okay, so kayo, mga young generation, hoping na itong what you witness now is your starting point to really continue to start your art life. Namin adapti direction na nito meron direction dito na you have to adapt by launching our art exhibit, and then you connect with those artist group para kayo ay ma-motivate in sustaining your art life. Yun po ang
Thank you, Sir Santi. We call him Sir Santi. Okay, maraming salamat. So, ang sabi niya is sustain your creativity by also joining, connecting with others. So, thank you, sir. Palakpak naman dyan. And ngayon, bigyan naman natin ng pagkakataon si Sir Arnold Ramos. He is 63 years old. And if nakita niyo yung kanyang mga works, puro mga ano yan, puro mga, I think it's pen and ink. Pen and ink kayo, ano po? Yeah? Pen and ink?
Pen, ball pen.
Ball pen.
Ball pen and pen.
Pen and ink. So ito lang naman, very short ka naman, can you give, ito. What does it mean for you to be part of this exhibit, isang dekadang mga dibuho exhibit? What does it mean for you, sir?
Thank you po sa opportunity, and sa mga young ones, itry nyo din po. Darating yung time kasi na you will be a part of something katulad dito. First time kong sumali dito sa art exhibit. It is a privilege for me kasi dati ako lang nakakita ng drawing ko. Now, ilan na yung nakakita ng drawing ko. Yung Green Soldier is about ballpen lang siya. That is X and plus lang. Pagsama-samahin nyo lang yun, and then you can create an art. So, ballpen lang po siya. Ang payo ko sa mga new artists, unang-una, hindi nyo kailangan maging realistic. Your drawing is a form of art. Kung ano yun, that is your expression to an art. So joining this prestigious event, napakalaking tulong po sa akin po. And I'm very glad naging kaibigan ko sa Santi, and hoping for the next 10 years, we will be improving more and give you more better artworks in the future. Yun lang. Salamat.
Yes.
Wow, okay. And of course, ngayon naman, yung nakahawak ng camera, we'll call in Sir Ed San to tell us kung ano po,
Kasama ba?
ito na lang, ano ba magandang question para sa iyo?
Kasama ba?
Kasama ka dyan kasi you're part din. How would you describe your artistic style and what inspires it? Artistic style.
Actually po, hindi ko sukat akalain na mag-join ako dito. Last 3 days or 4 days ago, hindi ka isa po ng ating dalawang kaibigan. Ang kaibigan hindi pwedeng tanggihan, lalo sa magandang layunin sa buhay. And I'm so excited, kahit na maybe hindi pa gusto ating artwork. Hinahiya ako kasi walang yata yung iba. But honestly, yung realistic na approach natin sa ating artwork, sa isang banda mahirap, hindi ganun madali. Detail siya, hindi ganun kadaling gawin, but the good thing is, for me, yung realistic yung paglaw ang kaya natin. Huwag natin gawin yung hindi natin kaya. That is my point. Kasi mahirap natin consider na parang challenge natin yung sarili natin, ang pagandahin natin ito, artwork, mas maganda sa kabila kung saan yung gawa. Hindi po. Our individuals, meron tayong kanya-kanyang technique, kanya-kanyang diskarte, kanya-kanyang style of art. So yun po yung, for me, that is our originality at saka yung reality na meron tayo. At yun naman po mga still life na talagang parang totoo, ano yan, sa matter of talagang tsaga-tsaga, sa matter of talagang bibigyan ng buhos ng panahon. At habang tumatagal, nag-ibigyan, as long as we go on, practice makes perfect. So yun lang po, and to God be the glory, because I believe life is beautiful and full of lessons for everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sir Edson. And last but not the least, ang ating 82 years old, pinatanda ko. Naririnig ba ako, Sir Noli? Message ko na lang sa ating mga other artists. What keeps your passion for art alive? Okay? Nabasa nyo? Dito po. Basahin nyo na lang po. Okay lang, message lang po. Say hello. Ganun. Message. Ang message ka lang.
Hi. Message.
Iya ang ating 82 years old na artist. Okay? Anyway, makikita natin ang kanyang works mamaya. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, narinig natin ang ating mga artists who introduced their own, nag-explain ng a little ng kanilang works, nalaman natin kung sino sila based on their responses a while ago. At ngayon naman, para hindi tayo magtagal, we will be asking every one of you to have a photo ops doon sa harap. So parang yun ang pinaka-opening natin. Sino ba magte-take ng picture? Si Mang Pam. O, diga. Sige, doon tayo sa harap, including our young guests. So after that, we are going to say Hep Hepore. That is opening our exhibit. Then we can go and view our works. Okay.
Tapos tatlo ada ikuan na.
Tapos, diba, dito ada dito yan. Jadi ko. Alam, siyempre, bago mangyari dito, isa na yung fiber stitching. Ngayon yung lapis. Tapos, yellow. Basta. Tapos, ito siyempre, ito teaching yung gamin. So, dito. Ba?
Pastel.
Ito na yun. Simple lang. So, ito yung mamotivate yung kastoy. Kaya yun habang tumatagal. Ito kasi
Excuse me, sir. Ano pala? Kasi confidential nga yung mga...
Sa mata eh. YouTube lang yan. Ang sabi ng classmate ko, ba't isa lang? Gumawa ko, dalawa na silang mata. Bakit mata lang? Nilagyan ko na ng ilong yung pangatlong drawing ko. Then the rest, kung nakagawa na ako ng mukha. YouTube lang, YouTube. Pencil,
ito,
madali ang pencil.
as a group, pwede nyong gawin. Simple lang ito.
Ito sana yung sasama ko dyan, sila Kai. Hindi pa lang tapos. Ganon din, plus minus, plus and x lang yan, plus and x. Patong-patong. Pag lumayo, kita niya. Then you'll see pag malayo. Ang challenge ko dyan kasi bumi-bumi yung ngipin niya eh. Kaya hindi ko pa na-umpisahan. I don't know. Para makita.